How about the NBRC? Tell us about what is the NBRC?
NBRC is a National Brick Research Center. It's based in Clemson University, South Carolina. Acme was one of the founding companies that there were several of those companies such as Acme and those that are still in business today. Some have gone out of business. But it was really driven by the need to have more of a institution that could support the brick industry, doing the research that could be utilized for companies to use in their marketing, or to have the testing ability. Not a lot of companies are fortunate like we are to have their own laboratory. So
right, that's true.
NBRC, they have a lab there. So I've been fortunate enough to actually have served as chairman of NBRC, and I've been finance chair off and on for the past 14 years. So
very nice.
Very intimately involved in activities there. Great association, very good support from the brick industry in general. Our membership is strong, even though we've had changes through the year with some companies that have fallen, on hard times.
Sure.
But it's been one that has been really supported, and I think we're fortunate, as part of Acme Brick Company, and Dennis is as our leader to continue to support. Now, it's some of the dues are based on the capacity, so we've seen capacity overall through the industry drop off.
Yep.
So through innovation, John Sanders is our current director of the NBRC, and I've worked with John a lot on this to be able to find ways to continue to do the work that we needed to do to support the industry, but become less dependent on the companies, the member companies, for their dues in order to support the activity. So we've offered up a lot more other services, such as testing services, and seen a shift in some of our revenue brought in. And in that process, though, we continue to learn and evolve and have supported our industry and the member companies very well in doing so.
Well, I've got to see some of the videos, and one of the most amazing video I've seen, and there's a few you have out there, is firing that 2x4 through all the different wall systems. Tell us about that. You were part of that all happening.
I was, and really I think it really started with our marketing director, Britt Stokes. Britt had a keen interest, and here we are somewhat in Tornado Alley, but to find ways to really prove visually the value of building out of a brick veneer versus having some of the other siding materials that are available today. So we worked a lot with Britt being involved with John Sanders in the center. We borrowed a cannon from the civil engineering department there at Clemson University, set it up in our laboratory, and we got the Bishop Materials Lab at Clemson, set it up and fired a 2x4 into various type construction. And we expected what the results were, and we were very pleased with the video actually representing that those results showed and proved there's nothing better to put on the exterior of your home than clay brick.